Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Honda CR-V, that generation here from year 2012 to year 2016. If you guys have one of those, you need to find where the audio fuse is located, guys. Well, it could be up to 4 different fuses. Stay with us, we will explain where they're located, where you can buy cheap fuses and relays from, that way don't waste your money, why it's important to test your fuses and relays. All that will be covered absolutely free, guys, for your convenience. Make sure you stay until the end. So before we guys start, let me tell you a little bit about us. If you have that generation Honda CR-V from year 2012 to year 2016, we will make a video for every single fuse, every single relay. Why we do that? To save you time and money. Let's say you need a fuel pump relay, fuse, heated seats, anything like that, guys, ignition coils, mass airflow sensor. All you have to do is just search for it, find it, look for a second, see where it's located, fix your problem. Because in the manual, often even the fuses are abbreviated and they're very vague and you may not know what it means, guys. But something else, guys. Here at the garage, we're constantly working on things, constantly fixing things. Those are our main YouTube channels. We have over 1.2 million subscribers, guys. We have videos that help more than 350 million people, guys. So subscribe, check it out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Now, another thing, guys, let us show you something. That Honda has some special fuses, guys. But even if you need to buy any fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping, guys, okay, anything, you can see you have different kinds of relays, special fuses here. Okay, those are multi-block fuses. Like this one is 11 fuses integrated in ones. That's what they look like. Let us show you quick. That's the side view, 11 individual fuses in one. This is the top view, guys, of the fuses. You can see right here. We'll put the link in the description of the video below where you can get fuses, relays at a really good price, quick shipping as well. So let's start on it now. So 4 fuses that we'll need to check, guys, for the audio system. We'll demonstrate on 2015 Honda CR-V. You have 2 different fuse boxes. We will be working in both of them. The first one is inside the CR-V on the driver's side, under the dash, above the pedals. Look right there, under the dash, guys, all the way up the dash, and you will see a fuse box layout that will look just like this one right here. But before we continue, guys, let's explain why it's important to test fuses and relays now. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below, specifically to that video. Please check it out. So here, guys, we'll need to check 2 fuses here and 2 in a different fuse box. If we zoom in a little bit, you will see that fuse number 19 will be the first that we need to check. Then we need to go and we need to find fuse number 25. We're talking about a 10 amp fuse right here, fuse number 19, fuse number 25. Under the hood, guys, okay, you will have another fuse box on your CR-V right here on the right side, on the driver's side. Open that cover, you will see that fuse box layout. This stores the front of the car, this stores the windshield side. Here we'll need to check 2 fuses specifically, guys. One of them is known as fuse number 29. Right here, that's the one on the very front of the fuse box if you open the hood. And then you need to check a special fuse, guys, in that multi-block fuse. That multi-block fuse consists of 11 individual fuses. What it looks like, this is the side view. Check it out. If one of them burns, you have to replace the whole fuse box assembly. That's bad news. Good news, we'll put the link in the description of the video below where you can get it from at a good price and quick shipping as well. Here, guys, you will need to check 1 fuse specifically, and we're talking about that second fuse right here, that 60 amp fuse. That fuse actually provides power to the BCM interior fuses, specifically for the radio and other components, so check that fuse as well. Thank you for watching and see you next time.